making these pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. Snickerdoodles are one of my more popular cookies, and I thought, why not give it a little pumpkin twist? The recipe will be down below. Now let's get started. We're gonna start with our room temperature butter, soften that up a little bit, and then add in your sugar to this, and then all your spices and your baking powder. Whisk that all together and then pour that into your mixture. And then add in your salt and your cream of tartar and then your vanilla extract. And finally your pumpkin puree. Combine this all well for a couple minutes. Just keep mixing while it comes together. And then you're going to want a spatula to scrape your bowl. And then keep mixing this for a couple more minutes. And then add 1 egg to this. Combine it all well. And then mix it until it's light and fluffy. Then add in your flour to this. And combine it all well. And then once it's all come together, we're going to wrap it with some plastic wrap. And then put it in your fridge for at least 2 hours. You can leave it longer than that, but just make sure it sits in there for 2 hours. Then we're going to prepare our sugar to roll these in. Just get some spices, some cinnamon, some allspice, some pumpkin spice. Whisk that together. And then once your dough has had plenty of time to chill, just scoop it out and roll it into that sugar mix. All the quantities and everything I use will be in the description box down below. Then just place these onto a baking pan with some parchment paper. And these are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. You can do up to 15 minutes, depending on how crispy or how chewy you want your cookies. These did make over 30 cookies, so you will get quite a bit in there. Once they've baked, take them off the sheet pan to chill. And there's our pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. And that's how you make these pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. If you want to see pictures of these cookies and everything I make, I do post over on Instagram, and all my links are down below. If you want to leave a suggestion, put it in the comments down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay up to date with everything I post, hit subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when a new video goes up. Until next time, stay sweet.